Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Welcome to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so up to last lecture we have done exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. And in today's class we are moving further towards the exercise 1.3. So before starting the exercise, let's recall some previous concepts. Okay, as you can see that in exercise 1.3, first question is compare the following numbers. So in this exercise you have to do what? You have to do comparison between two large numbers. You have done comparison in previous classes also, right? But here you have to do comparison between two large numbers. Okay, so let's recall our previous concepts. Suppose I write a number 3 and 19. Can you compare this number using these symbols? Can you compare which one is greater? Which one is greater? Obviously you will say 19 is greater. So how can you compare it? How can you say that 19 is greater? Here the comparison you are doing is between digits. You can say that 3 is only one digit number and 19 is two digit number. So that's why 19 is a greater number. Okay. Suppose I give you numbers 157 and 28. Which number will be greater? The number which have more digits will be greater, right? As 157 is greater. Why it is greater? Because it has 1, 2 and 3 digits, and 28 is lesser. Why? Because it has only 2 digits. So 157 is greater. So here you are doing comparison on what basis? You are comparing number on the basis of digits. Number of digits both the numbers have. Okay, so our first rule to compare two number is what? First rule, you need to find the number of digits. Are they equal or not? Okay. Let's take another example. Let's take this example. Here now when you see both the numbers, here 328 and here this side 586. As you can see here both the numbers. Now when you are going to compare these digits, first rule is to count the digits of the number. Okay, so here you can see that both the numbers have equal digits. So are these number equal? No. Then we have to apply another rule for it. Okay, so I am writing one rule for the comparison of numbers. Our today's topic is comparison of numbers. Rule. What is the first rule? Our first rule is that to compare any two numbers, what you will do? To compare any two numbers, we first need to find the number of digits. To compare any two numbers, we first need to do what? What is our first task to compare numbers? We need to find the number of digits. We need to find the number of digits in both the numbers. In both the numbers. This is our first rule. Again repeat with me. What is our first rule? To compare any two numbers, we we first need to find the number of digits in both the numbers. The number having more digits will be greater. The number having more digits is greater. Let's take an example here. Example. Compare 589 and 3486. So what you will do? You will write 589 3486. Compare this and this by using symbol this and this. Okay, what is the task? To compare this 589 and 3486 by using symbol greater than, less than or equal. So now go to the rule. What is the rule? To compare any two numbers. Yes, we have two numbers. What is the rule? We first need to find the number of digits. So what is the first task? You will count the number of digits in both the numbers, right? So start counting. 1, 2 and 3. Here at left side 3 digits are there, and here at right side number 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits are there. So read the rule. Further, the numbers having more digits is greater. What is the rule? The numbers having more digits is greater. So which number out of both, which number is having more digit? The number written at the right side having more digit. So this number will be greater according to our rule. And the number which is greater will have the mouth open of the symbol. Okay. So this is how we do comparison. It is the first rule of comparison. Okay. According to this rule, you have to first what you have to do first? You have to first count the digits in both the numbers. Then the number of digits in whatever the number has more, that number will be greater. Okay. Now move to the next rule of comparison. Next rule, that is rule number 2. Ab write it with me. If two numbers have the same number of digits, numbers of digits, if two numbers have the same number of digits, then we compare the digits, then we compare the digits A, then we compare the digits at the highest place value. What is the rule? If two numbers have the same digit. Now the condition is that if two numbers have same digit, then how you will compare the numbers? Then what we need to do, we compare the digits at the highest place value. Let's understand this by an example. Let's take an example. Let's take two numbers. Okay. Suppose our number is 386 and 483. Okay. Suppose we have these two numbers 386 and 483. many digits in this number? 1, 2 and 3. Here at right side number, how many digits are here? 1, 2 and 3. Both the numbers have now same digits. Now how to do comparison? So for doing this, we will compare the, according to the rule, then we compare the digits at the highest place values. So here 6 at ones, 8 is at tens and 3 is at hundreds place. And here 3 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place and 4 is at hundreds place. Now what you will do, you will compare the highest place value of both the numbers. So here you can see that both the number have 3 digits, one comparison. According to second rule, now you will compare the highest place value digit. Okay, so here highest place value digit is 3 and in this number highest place value digit is 4. So which number will be greater, 3 or 4? The number is starting from the 4. So 483 will be greater than 386. Okay, come to the next rule. Now one more rule is there. If both the digits, if both the numbers, if both the digits at highest place value are same, if both the digits at highest place value are same, then compare the digits, in the next highest place values. And so on. Let's understand this rule by another example. Okay, what is the rule number 3? If both the digits at highest place value are same, then compare the digits in the next highest values. So let's take an example to understand this rule. Suppose we want to compare, let's check two numbers 4, 8, 5, 9 and the other number is 4, 6, 3, 2. Okay, now start comparing. So first of all, write both the numbers. I have written both the numbers. Now what you will do? According to first rule, what you will do? You will count the digits in both the numbers. So start counting the digits. In first number 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are here. And in the another number 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are here. So according to first rule, we counted the digits. Now here rule number 1 is not applying. Then come to the rule number 2. What was that? That at highest place values you start comparing the numbers. But in highest place value, in both the numbers 4 is there. That is at thousands place. Here and here, both the place 4 is there. So can you compare it now? No. Then the rule number 3 comes. It says that if both the digits at highest place value are same. Here you can see that at both the numbers, at both the digits at highest place value of both the numbers are same, Then how you will compare? What you will do? Then compare the digits in the next highest place values. Then what you will do? You will compare the digits at next place values. That is, these two digits are same. So what you will do? You compare these two digits. Now, if they are same, then you will start comparing these two. Okay. So means you will compare hundreds place then. So here you can see that at hundreds place 8 is there and here 6 is there. So which number will be greater? The number obviously having 8 at hundreds place will be greater. Okay. So by this comparison you can see that 4859 is greater than 4632. Okay. Let's take another example in the same question. We have two numbers and we want to compare these numbers. Okay. You use the first rule. What was the first rule? You will count the number of digits in both the numbers. So you compare 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Both the numbers having the same number of digits. Now what is the rule? You will compare the highest place value number. That is the highest place value number. So when you compare, you see that both the numbers having same digit. Now what you will do? You will move to the, according to rule 3, what you will do? You will move to the next highest place value. So next highest place value is hundreds place here, and at hundreds place both the numbers having 8. Now 4 here, here also 4, here 8, here also 8. Now what you will do? Now you will compare next digit, next highest place. So here next highest place 2 is there, and here at next highest place 3 is there. Compare these two. Here at tens place 2 is there, and here at tens place 3 is there. So which number out of both is larger or is greater? Which number will be greater? Obviously this. Okay, so this is the greater. 4832 is greater. Okay. These were 3 rules for comparing the numbers. Now come to the exercise 1.3. Now let us start exercise 1.3, that is on page number 7. Open page number 7 everyone. In the same manner, in this exercise you will compare large numbers, that is 7 digit, 8 digit numbers. Okay. So open exercise 1.3, that is on page number 7. Let us do question number 1. Your question number 1 is compare the following numbers by using some symbols are given there. Okay, 3 symbols are given there: greater than, less than, or equal to. These symbols are given there. Using these symbols you have to compare numbers. Okay. So let's do first question. 2, 3, 7, 3, 4, 52. 2, 3, 4, 7, 253. If you want to do comparison and having any doubt, you can use pencil to compare the numbers. Okay. And later when you have done, you can remove. You can erase the pencil marks. Okay. So according to our first rule, here we have to compare two numbers. So according to first rule, what we need to do? We will count the number of digits in this number and this number also. So start counting. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits are here. Okay. And in this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits are here. Both the numbers having same digit. Now what to do? Now come to the rule second. And what number second says? That now compare digits at compare the digits at highest place values. Here 2 is at ones, it is tens, it is at hundreds place, it is at thousands place, it is at 10,000s place, it is at lakhs, and it is located at 10 lakhs place. Also, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Here when you compare 10 lakhs place, that is highest place value here is 10 lakhs. So when you compare 10 lakhs, you can see that here also and here also. So now can you guess which number will be greater? No. And you will compare the next digit, digit, that is at lakhs place. So here see, in both the numbers at lakhs place 3 is there. So again you cannot guess which number is greater. So now move towards the next highest place. The next highest place is 10,000. Next highest place is at 10,000, and here at 10,000 7 is there, and here at 10,000 4 is there. So is 7 greater or 4 greater? 7 is greater obviously. So this number will be greater. So this is how we do the comparison. And when we compare the numbers, we can remove these. Okay. This is how we do the question. This is how we do the comparison by using those 3 rules. Let's take one more example. The given number is 8, 26. Now these large numbers you must be able to read. Okay, this is 8 crore 26 lakh 72,273, and you want to compare this number with 38 lakh 64,743. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and thousands, lakh, and ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and thousand. Now, according to first rule, what you will do? You will count the number of digits. So start counting in the left number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 digits are here. Okay, in first number 8 digits are here. Now move to the next number, another number. Start counting digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are here. Here 8 digits are, and in this number 7 digits are there. So which number will be greater? According to first rule, the number having more digits will be greater. So this number have more digits, therefore this will be greater. Okay. So in the same manner you will do the remaining questions by using the same 3 rules. You will do the remaining questions. Okay. Here in question number C, a number 72 lakh 52,255 is given, and another number is 65 lakh 23,765. First rule, count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both the numbers have same digits. Now come to the rule second. What you will compare? You will compare the highest place values. So highest place value at highest place, 7 is here and here 6 is there. So obviously the number having 7 at highest place will be greater according to rule. Now let's do next question, that is having number 44,63,776, and in this question another number is 44,63,776. Now start comparing the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number of 7 and this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both the number have 7 digits. Now what you will do? You will compare the highest place values. So here in both the numbers, highest places at 4 are there, At next highest place 4 is there. At next highest place again the same number, that is 6 is there. At next highest place 3 is there. Likewise you compare, here 7, here also 7, here 7, here also 7, here 6, at one place here also 6. So both the number have same digits. So as both the number have equal number of digits and both the number have same digits up to 1, so you will put equal to sign here as both the numbers are equal. Okay. And the remaining questions try by your own. If you have any doubt to compare the remaining questions, what you will do, you will rewatch the video, you will rewatch the concept and then do it later by your own. Okay, our today's class is over here. Have a nice day all of you.